What's up, everybody? All right, this is part one of the 4-move beginner step challenge, all right? So you're gonna get 4 moves. It's gonna be a beginner challenge, and this is just part one, all right? So let's do the moves, then we'll add the music to it. I want you to challenge yourselves to get these 4 moves. First move are crunches. 4, 3, 2, knee straddle, take it around. All right, so this is part one of the 4-move challenge. Turn knee, up, up, down, down, knee, up, down, down, double tap knee, heel, toe, knee, heel, toe, knee. All right, let's get into it without further ado. 4 moves only, part one of the challenge. All right, just 4 moves. Woo! So practice these moves for part one of the challenge. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Crunch it down. 4, 3. Let's go. 2. Knee straddle. Take it around. Let's go. Good. Let's go. Turn knee. Switch it up. Double tap knee. Heel, toe, knee. Back to move 1. Crunch it down. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Straddle with it. Take it around. Let's go. Turn knee. Switch it up. Double tap knee. Heel, toe, knee. Back to move 1. Only 4 moves. 4, 3, 2. Straddle with it. Take it around. Oh, I forgot to be your lover. Turn knee. Switch it up. Double tap knee. Switch it up. Let's go. Move 1. Crunch him down. Yep. Move 2, straddle with it. Good. Move 3, turn knee. Let's go. Move 4, double tap knee. Switch it up. Show me move 1. Hey, let's go. Show me move 2. Let's go. Give me that 3rd move. Let's go. Let's go. Double tap knee. Let's go. Now I'm showing it to you from the other side. 4 and 3 and 2. Straddle with it. Move 2. Let's go. Turn knee. Switch it up. Double tap knee. Switch it up. Let's go, team. Show me move 1. 4, 3, 2. Straddle with it. Move 2. You got it. You can do this. Turn knee. Let's go. Woo. Let's go. Double tap knee. Can we do it one more time? Yeah. Crunch it down. 4, 3, 2. Show me move 2. Straddle with it. Hey. Come on. Turn knee. Woo. Work on that footwork. Double tap knee. Let's go. Back to the top. Crunch it down. 4, 3, 2. Straddle. Take it around. Hey. Come on. 3rd move. Turn knee. Come on. Double tap knee. Heel, toe, knee. Heel, toe, and knee. All right. 4 moves. Basic beginner challenge part 1. Good job.